In this video, I'm going to show you the entire app that we will build in this course. So let me give you a good overview of the app screen by screen. First of all, we are presented with this sign-in screen, which gives us options to sign in into the app in 4 different ways. We can sign in with Google, Facebook, email and password, and anonymously. These are all sign-in methods that are offered by Firebase. If we choose the first option, we are taken through a Google sign-in flow where we would enter an email, password, and possibly additional steps such as two-factor authentication. For now, I'm going to hit cancel so that I can show you the other sign-in methods. Facebook has a similar flow, which also requires us to sign in with our Facebook credentials, and we're going to also skip this and see the remaining options. The last 2 methods are signing with email and signing anonymously. If I tap on this last option, the app will create an anonymous account with Firebase and sign me in immediately. Instead, if we choose sign in with email, we are taken to this email sign-in form, and here we can choose to create an account if we don't have one already, or we can sign in by entering an email and password. So let's do that. Once we are signed in, we land to the home page for our app, and as you can see, this is composed by 3 tabs named Jobs, Entries, and Account. We can use the Jobs page to view the list of existing jobs or create a new one. Here we can add a name such as Learn Firebase, and we can also select a rate per hour. And once we save, the job is added to our list over here. If we tap through it, we are taken to an empty screen. And from here, we can start adding some entries for our job. So to do this, we can select the beginning time, like this, and we also can select the end time for our entry. And if we want, we can enter a comment as well, like this. Once the entry has been created, it appears on the list over here, and we can edit the entry by tapping on it and modifying the values on this form. Or if we want, we can delete the entry with a swipe to dismiss gesture, like this. At any point, we can edit the current job, for example, by changing the current name, like this. And when we come back, we can see that the title has been updated. And if we navigate back one level, once again, we can add new jobs, or if we want, we can delete jobs once again with a swipe gesture, like this. Now, if we head over to the Entries tab, we are going to see a chronological list of all the entries that we have added for each job. These are grouped by day, and we can see the number of hours and the total pay. Finally, if we head over to the Account tab, here we are going to see some information about the current user, and we have the ability to log out so that we can sign in with a different account if we want. So this is the application that we are going to build in this course. And once again, we will start from scratch and cover a lot of interesting topics as we go along.